Good morning, students. I am going to continue with a new topic, that is differential equation, chapter number 9. Chapter number 9, we start differential equation. Clear? Chapter number 9, differential equation. Differential equations, right? Differential equation. Today we start differential equation. The concept of differential equation, the equation in which what is the definition of differential equation? What is the definition of differential equation? Differential equation mean that the equation involving independent variable and dependent variable. That equation involving derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, right? In this equation, in differential equation involving derivative of dependent variable means y, dependent variable with respect to independent variable, that is x, dy by dx. Yeah, that is called differential equation. In ordinary differential equation, we discuss in this chapter ordinary differential equation. And the first exercise we find the degree and order. For example, twice d square y by dx square plus dy by dx all cube is equal to 0. This is the differential equation, clear? In which the power of derivative, first order derivative, second order derivative, the power of derivative are natural number, you can say, power in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So how can you find the degree and order of this equation? Degree, firstly find the derivative of differential equation, highest order. You know that this is second order, this is first order. So you know that order of the differential equation is 2, and the power of order that is degree that is 1. Clear? For another example, d cube y upon dx cube plus x square d square y upon dx square whole to the power 3. This in this equation order, highest order, order that is 3, and the power of highest order 1, it means degree 1. You know that if log y dash or e to the power y dash and sine y dash, in this type of question the degree not defined, because if these function present in the equation, that is not the differential equation in the simplest form. Clear? Log y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, then the degree not defined. In this type of case you can say degree not defined. Degree not defined. Clear? Now can you tell me dy by dx plus sine dy by dx is equal to 0. Order in this question, order that is 1, and degree Degree not defined. Degree not defined. Because you know that in the angle derivative, if in the angle of trigonometric function derivative is present first order, second order, third order, then you can say the degree not defined, because that equation is not in the standard form of the differential equation. Clear? So in this case, degree not defined. Another question, that is y triple dash plus y square plus e to the power y dash. In this question, can you tell me order? Order, that is 3. Order 3. But degree not defined. Degree not defined. Degree not defined. Clear? In exercise 9.1, you know that question number 1. 9.1. Question number 1. d4y upon dx to the power 4 plus sin y triple dash is equal to 0. In this case, you can say order is 4. Order is 4, but degree not defined. Degree not defined. Clear? If in the angle derivative is present, a log y dash, e to the power y dash, y triple dash present, then you can say degree not defined. In question number 3rd, ds by dt all to the power 4 plus 3s d square s by dt square is equal to 0. Firstly, tell me the order of this differential equation. Order means highest power. This is first order, this is second order. It means order in a 2 and degree. The power of highest order is called degree. That is 1, because you know that A is 1. In question number 4, you know that degree not defined. In question number 4, check degree not defined, because cos dy by dx present in the question. Degree not defined, and order of the differential equation is 2. In question number 5, order 2 and degree 1. Order 2 and degree 1. In question number 6, order 3 and degree 2. Order 3 and degree 2. Question number 7, order 3 and degree 1, the power of highest order. Clear? In question number 8, you know that 8 y dash mean order 1 and degree 1. Question number 9, that is order 2, y double dash mean second order derivative, order 2 and degree 1. Question number 11, degree not defined, because dy by dx present in the angle of trigonometric function. Degree not defined. And question number 12, order of the differential equation. That is the highest order. It means 2. Next, exercise 9.2. In exercise 9.2, general and the particular solution of the differential equation is given. With the help of this, solve the equation. Clear? You know that in this equation there are two solutions, general solution and particular solution. You know that the solution which contains arbitrary constant, arbitrary constant mean A, B, C like this, plus C. The solution which contains arbitrary constant is called general solution of the differential equation, general solution. And the particular solution mean the solution free from arbitrary constant. The solution free from arbitrary constant, that solution obtained from the general solution by giving particular value of the differential, particular value of the arbitrary constant, that is called particular solution of the differential equation. Correct? There are two solutions, general solution and particular solution. General solution, the solution which contains arbitrary constant, and the particular solution which contains free from arbitrary constant. Okay? Question number in this exercise, question number 1. In each of the following exercise, verify the given function is the solution of corresponding differential equation or not. Question number 1. Y is equal to e to the power x plus 1, and you want to prove y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. This is the solution of this differential equation or not. Y dash e to the power x, y double dash e to the power x, and in place of e to the power x you can write y dash. Therefore y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. This is the solution. Second question as it is, third as it is, fourth. Y is equal to root 1 plus x square, and you want to prove y dash is equal to xy upon 1 plus x square. Now can you tell me the derivative of this y dash? Derivative of this, that is 1 by 2 root 1 plus x square, and the derivative 1 plus x square, that is 2x. This will cancel. Now we want to check this is the solution of this general solution or not. So therefore multiplying both sides by x upon root 1 plus x square. We want to prove this radical free, that is 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square root, multiplying numerator and denominator. So what is the value of this? Root 1 plus x square. What is the value of this? Root 1 plus x square. That is y. And you know that same quantity here, 1 plus x square. This is the solution of question number 4. It means you can say the differential equation is the solution of given function. Same question, question number 6. Y is equal to x sin x, and you want to prove x y dash is equal to y plus x root x square minus y square. X square minus y square. Clear? Therefore, differentiate both sides with respect to x, y dash. Apply here product rule. X as it is, derivative of this cos x, and sin x as it is, derivative of x is 1. Now according to this situation, here x y dash, it means multiplying both sides by x. Multiplying both side by x. Then you say that x y dash is equal to x square cos x plus x sin x. And what is the value of this? X sin x, you know, x sin x y, and in this case you can write square root of 1 minus sin square x. What is the value of sin x? What is the value of sin x from here? What is the value of sin x? Y by x. Y by x plus y. When you simplify this, it becomes x root x square minus y square plus y. Okay? Hence proved. It means you can say this differential equation is the solution. Clear? Look at next. Question number 8. Y minus cos y is equal to x, and you want to prove that y sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash is equal to y. Derivative, you know that y1, or you can say y dash plus sin y into y dash is equal to 1. Take common y dash, 1 plus sin y is equal to 1. Now according to the right hand side y, you know, here is y 1, then multiplying both side by y, multiplying both side by y, y dash y plus y sin y is equal to y. Now put the value of y from first. Put the value of y from first. What is the value of y? What is the value of y from here? That is x plus cos y plus y sin y is equal to y. Hence proved. Clear? This is the solution of question number 8. 9. 9, you know, x plus y is equal to tan inverse y, and you want to prove y square y dash plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. You want to prove that this. Now differentiate y dash, and here 1 upon 1 plus y square, and the derivative of y, you know, y dash. Clear? Now cross multiply. Cross multiply. 1 multiply with this as it is, y dash plus y dash y square is equal to y dash. Y dash to y dash cancel. Therefore y square y dash plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. Answer. Clear? This is the solution of question number 9. Question number 10. Question number 10. Y is equal to root a square minus x square. Therefore, dy by dx, derivative of this root, you know, a square minus x square, and the derivative of a square minus x square, that is minus 2x. This will cancel. And what is the value of this? Root a square minus x square, you know, y. Then cross multiply y dy by dx is equal to minus x. Therefore y dy by dx plus x is equal to 0. This is the solution of question number 10. Clear? You can check. Next, question number 11. 11, you know, number of arbitrary constant. Number of arbitrary constant. In question number 11, number of arbitrary constant of the general solution of differential equation of fourth order. If in the differential equation of fourth order, then number of arbitrary constant 4. Clear? If order is 3, then the number of arbitrary constant 3. Answer of this question is 4. Question number 12, number of the arbitrary constant in the particular solution of the differential equation of third order. तो थर्ड ऑर्डर की डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में बताइए आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट कितने होते हैं? 0. बिकॉज यू नो दैट द particular solution mean free from arbitrary constant. There is no arbitrary constant. Next, exercise 9.3 is out of syllabus. 9.3 is deleted exercise. Next exercise, in this chapter there are three types: variable separable, homogeneous, and the linear differential equation. In exercise 9.4, the name of the type is variable separable. Variable separable. Differential equation with variable separable. Differential equation with variable separable. Clear? Exercise, this question number 1. dy by dx is equal to 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. And the second question, dy by dx, that is root 4 minus y square. In this type, वेरिएबल सेपरेबल मीन y वाली क्वांटिटी एक तरफ, x वाली क्वांटिटी एक तरफ, सेपरेट देन इंटीग्रेट. बस यू नो दैट dy is equal to 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, then integrate. Separate the variable, y वाली क्वांटिटी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, x वाली क्वांटिटी राइट हैंड साइड, then integrate. And the integration of 1, you know, that is y. And this is the formula, tan square x by 2, and the integration of tan square x by 2 formula, sec square x by 2 minus 1, and the integration, that is tan x by 2, and the derivative of x by 2 1 by 2 minus x plus c. That is the answer. This question you can write 1 by 4 minus y square dy, integrate, separate, then integrate. And this is type, you know, 1 upon root a square minus x square sin inverse x by a. You can say sin inverse y by 2 is equal to x plus c. This is the answer of this question. Next question, you know, fourth, sec square x tan y dx is equal to minus sec square y tan x dx dy. Separate the variable, then integrate. You know that dx, तो इधर x वाली टर्म को ले आइए, dx के पास, that is tan x, और y के पास y वाली टर्म अपॉन tan y dy, then integrate. Simple work, you can solve. You know that derivative of tan x is present here, so directly you can write log tan x, and here minus log tan y plus. In this exercise, if in every term log is given, then you can take log c, constant of integration log c, you can take for the simplification. Log tan x plus log tan y is equal to log c. You know that log m plus log n, that is log tan x tan y, that is log c. So on comparing, log cancel, tan x tan y is equal to c. This is the solution of question number 4. Here you can check. Next question number 6. dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x square 1 plus y square. Separate the variable. Separate the variable. Then integrate. Separate the variable, then integrate. Clear? Now integration of this, tan inverse y. This is x plus x cube upon 3 plus c. This is the answer. Simple question. 7 y log y dx is equal to x dy. Therefore you can say 1 by x dx is equal to 1 upon y log y dy. Separate the variable, then integrate. Simple work. And this is log x, and the integration let log y is equal to t, you can let. Therefore log of log y plus log c, you can say. That is log c into log y. On comparing, x is equal to c log y. This is answer. Clear? Question number 10. E to the power x tan y dy is equal to e to the power x minus 1 sec square y dy. How can you solve this question? Now separate the variable. E to the power x upon e to the power x minus 1, that is dx here, and sec square y upon tan y dy. You know that the derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. Therefore direct you can write log e to the power x minus 1, here log tan y plus log c. On comparing, that is c tan y. Okay. Therefore your homework, try to solve exercise 9.4, 9.1 and 9.2, both very easy question, 1 or 2 mark question. Clear? Thank you.